What do liberalism and a banana have in common? The banana is wealth, it's freedom, it's what everyone wants. And in this video, I'll explain liberalism using a banana. From taxes to the black market. But first, what is liberalism? In the jungle, every monkey had its own tree, its own bananas, did whatever it wanted. But one day, the monkey boss appeared. With a deep voice and sinister gaze, "From now on, all bananas belong to me." The monkeys screamed, fights, hunger, chaos. And from that chaos came a dangerous idea, classical liberalism. But not just any liberalism. The version we know today, different from liberal socialism or ancient mercantilist ideas. Second part, the birth of liberalism. One monkey rebelled. "I want to decide what to do with my bananas." That's how Monofree is born. He plants, sells, negotiates, buys a golden hammock. His hungry neighbor watches him. But wait, what happens when the neighbor wants bananas and doesn't know how to plant? Is it exploitation or cooperation? Here lies the dilemma between libertarianism and the free market. What is the market economy? Monofree offers him a job. "Work with me, I'll pay you in bananas." They both win. This is called a market economy, a system based on supply and demand. Everything flows until the monkey boss returns. Bananas are too expensive, lower prices now. Here begins the problem of price controls, an intervention that kills incentives. What is price control? But wait, what happens when no one wants to sell at that price? Joe, a banana grower monkey, does the math. Planting costs 2 coins. The monkey boss says, "Sell it for 1. "Excuse me?" And he stops planting. The result, shortages, black markets, and total chaos. The black market, 100 monkeys with no bananas, endless lines, fights over the last banana. The free market disappears and the black market is born. Bananas hidden in backpacks, secret deals. But it doesn't end there. A new enemy silently appears, taxes. What are taxes? Monkey Jimmy earns 100 coins. The boss takes 60. It's to do good things. Jimmy stops investing, fires monkeys, moves to another jungle. Bad fiscal policy causes capital flight and less growth. Bureaucracy. Pause. Breathe. Now comes the absurd part. Carl, an honest monkey, wants to open a store. Guess how long it takes? 8 months, 15 permits, and 500 coins. When he opens, the season's over. Regulation and bureaucracy kill the little ones. Only the giant monkey with lawyers and contacts survives. And what happens when there's no competition? The bananas rot, literally. Monopolies destroy quality and remove all incentive to improve. Healthy competition. But relax. There are heroes too. Anton sells boring bananas. Lois shows up with sweet bananas, home delivery, and pretty packaging. Prices drop, quality rises. Everyone's happy thanks to competition. The jungle connects with others. Northern monkeys have nuts, southern monkeys have bananas. They trade. Everyone wins. Until the protectionist monkey arrives. Wall, tariffs, chaos. Poorer monkeys and worse products. That's protectionism, the antithesis of free trade. Inequality, social mobility. But there's something that hurts more than taxes, inequality. Monosmart is born rich, monopoor is born poor. But in a free jungle, monopoor can work, save, and rise thanks to social mobility. In a controlled jungle, everyone stays poor. Except the monkey boss. Does this mean liberalism is perfect? No. But it's the closest thing to a jungle where monkeys learn, correct, and improve. As long as the monkey boss doesn't stick his hand or his banana. But if you want the monkey to stay free, click right now on this video, because there you'll see what happens when the monkey boss starts printing bananas like crazy. Spoiler, the storm is coming.